After trading for almost 20 years, I think I know a thing or two about trading. If you're looking to make money and you're having some difficulty, why not check out some of the hundreds of videos that I've posted on YouTube? I'm sure that you'll find more than one suggestion that's going to help your trading experience. Good morning, friends. It's Friday, May 26th, and I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. You know, there are some days where the market just wants to go up. And today is one of those days. Now, why do I say that? Well, Friday, May 26th, is the Friday before the Memorial Day holiday. And before holidays, on weekends before holidays, the market wants to go up. And that's because traders are happy, traders are positive. Traders are looking forward to a holiday weekend, spending the time away with their families, taking trips, visiting relatives, doing whatever they want to do. But it's Memorial Day. And on Memorial Day, in the summer, the market wants to go up. Traders are in a great mood. And the chart proves it. There's nothing more to be said. Always check your calendar. And remember that on a Friday before a holiday, the market wants to go up and will, as long as there is no offsetting negative news. And even today, with the debt limit talks moving forward, it looks like things are in the green on all signals. Right now, it's about 10 after 11, and I've already been out of the market for almost 45 minutes, and I already made my trade, and I got out exactly where Taylor indicated that I should get out. And I got out at 42.06, and let me show you why I did so. And I did that at 10:30. I took my Taylor trading range, my trading zone, and I copied it, and I transposed it to the intraday low, which was right over here at 41.67. And transposing it showed me that I should get out, or the market should trade up at around 42.06. And I got out at 42.06 at 10:30. And let me show you that trade. I'm going to prove that to you. Here at 10:30, 5:26, 10:30 a.m., I got out at 42.06. And this is exactly where I got out 45 minutes ago. And that's how you use Taylor to tell you where the market is likely to go. So have a great holiday weekend. This is Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.